Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. We could see that Bitcoin right now getting a bounce around $39,629, and today we locked in some nice profits on our QID short, up over $850 on our stock trading challenge. So we started with 10,000 and now we're at, let's go take a look. Let me do some quick math here. I believe we are around $1,600 in profit now on our stock trading account. Again, we still have a few open trades on KOLD, BMY, TLT, and Zoom. But again, those trades are not closed yet. So unless I realize those trades, we're just gonna hold on to them for now. And right now, we can take a look at Bitcoin. Again, taking a big dump today, down to 39,671. We did average in on our position at the moment on Bitcoin, so we're sitting at about 40,900 something. So we'd have to get about back up there to get break even. Again, I think a bounce is going to be nearing soon. We could take a look at this pattern right here. We could see that we are still, in this bear flag at the moment. But again, this is the bottom support. You guys can take a look. There are other support levels coming in, as we can see right here for Bitcoin, getting a little bit of a bounce right now. And we do have the CPI data coming out tomorrow. Again, forecast is for 8.3%. So they actually increased it since last week. Last week when we checked it, it was 8.2%. So it looks like they're expecting worse numbers. But again, if it falls in line with their expectations, markets tend to rally because it's not as bad as they thought, because the market is pricing in significantly worse inflation. So if the numbers aren't that bad, even though it's still increasing and it's getting bad, right? I still expect inflation to fully completely get out of control, which it already is. But I still expect it to keep rising. But for the time being, if we do get a rally tomorrow, this wouldn't be a bad place, since we're at the bottom of the support right now on these levels, around 39,300, finding some support right now. Again, if we do get a nice bounce, we could possibly, start coming back up, maybe retest 43,000, maybe we can go back up to 45,000. But again, we still have a lot of resistance coming after that. We have 41,500 to break back, and then 42,600. So if you guys want to take a look at the TA2 chart, shorting at this level, 43,400 would have been a nice entry point right there. You guys could have made a nice little 8% on that trade. Again, right now, if we do get a rise back up, we still have a lot of resistance. But again, let's just take a look at what the traditional markets are going to do today. A big down day into traditional markets. We could see, let's get back on our traditional chart on the NASDAQ. I don't know why we're on on the KOLD there. NASDAQ right now back down to 13,951. So a big drop in the markets, and the overnight markets are already in the red at the moment, 0.41% down. Again, not too good for the traditionals, getting hammered again and again. Tech stocks, probably like the major tech stock names like Apple and Tesla getting hammered the most today, down 2.5%, and then Microsoft down 3.94%. You guys can take a look at Tesla too, absolutely getting hammered. A big gap down today, ending the day at 9.75 and 93 cents. So let's just see what happens tomorrow. Again, hopefully inflation is not too bad, but if it is, then we might not get that bounce as soon as we thought. And to show you guys I'm not completely biased, we can see that right now on the weekly time frame we have a red diamond, a 22 and a -5. So I don't think I've ever seen this on the weekly time frame. I don't believe so. Yep, I have never seen a red diamond on the weekly time frame for Bitcoin. So this looks pretty bad in my opinion. If we do take a big, if we do start crashing, then we might have a big dump, towards 20,000. But again, it's a lot of speculation. Money flow is technically still in the green. It's getting pretty darn close to that zero line. We do have a red dot on market cipher B, so just pay attention to that, guys. And yeah, we'll see what happens then. Again, gold getting rejected at the upper end of our resistance box right here, and now starting to inch a little bit lower. Again, if you know, if CPI numbers are significantly bad, maybe gold will have a sharp rise up and then it'll sell off a couple of days later. But we're just gonna have to see what happens. We're gonna have to wait on that data to come out. Again, I forgot to mention this yesterday. This is the monthly chart on silver, and Kenny was sending me some stuff, and he was telling me that silver looks like the biggest cup and the handle in the history, right? 40 years in the making, he says. So if we do get a cup and handle, then, you know, silver is gonna have to go back up to $50, and then we can have a moonshot to new all-time highs. So it'll be good for everyone that's holding those silver stocks that are in the portfolio I've dictated. You guys can access that in the Google Sheet and join the Discord. So if you're in the Discord, you guys have access to the Google Sheet. Sorry, I keep burping. But yeah, moving on. Right now, hash ribbons haven't crossed yet. We're still okay for the time being. No capitulation yet. Again, it is a lagging indicator. And right now we can see the pi cycle indicator as well, breaking that moving average, coming back down, not holding it as support like we did in the past over here. So that's invalidated right there. And let's take a look at one more thing, which is Ethereum. Yeah, there we go. Let's get back on Ethereum. Right now, we're getting pretty close to that support, coming at 28.81. It's very possible we get a wick down here, fill some orders, and then start to come back up. Maybe 31.42 would be our next resistance, and after that, 3400 would be the next resistance after that. So if you guys want access to these charts, you guys can join the Discord. Links in the description. You guys also get access to all my trades. Right now, we entered some positions in TLT. We decided to short BNY. Stock's starting to come down at the moment, so we are in the green on that one. But let's just wait to see what happens tomorrow for our positions. Anyways, guys, thanks for listening. You guys have been awesome. Pretty tired today. Very busy day at work. And again, hopefully I'll be able to do this full time. But for the time being, it's going to be part time. But again, thanks for your support, guys. We're at 9,060 subscribers. Once we get to 10,000, you already know we're going to do that giveaway. Peace. If you guys haven't already, you guys can join Big Get Trading. Links in the description, and that's where I do all my crypto trades.